Hey friend, welcome back to The Gentle Reset, your no judgment zone for creating a home that actually works for you. I'm Allison, ADHD home and systems coach, former occupational therapist and mom of two, and I'm so glad you're here. If the holidays tend to feel a little chaotic and overwhelming, or you're already feeling the pressure to get your house together, then this episode is for you. Let's take one simple step together today. Here's your weekly 3, a mind hack, a home hack, and a personal highlight to help your home feel lighter, more functional, and easier to maintain. Today, we're kicking off a brand new holiday mini-series to wrap up Season 2. This is part 1 of 4, all focused on helping you simplify the season, support your home, and lower the pressure in an ADHD-friendly way. Just a heads up, I'll be taking Thanksgiving week off from the podcast, but I'll be back the following week to continue the series. Today, we're talking about a pre-holiday reset and how to get your home ready before December hits without deep cleaning, without stress, and without feeling like you have to overhaul your entire house. You'll hear a mindset shift to help you let go of the I need to clean everything pressure. 3 simple things to focus your energy so decorating and hosting feel lighter, and a relatable story about why hosting feels so stressful for ADHD women and the small resets that can help. If you're getting ready to pull out the holiday decor or prep your home for guests, it's really easy to get caught up in the I should clean everything spiral. For ADHD brains, that pressure to deep clean can shut you down before you even begin. It creates that all or nothing feeling, and suddenly the holidays feel heavy instead of fun. So here's your mindset shift for today. You don't need a spotless home to enjoy the holidays, just a simple reset that supports you in the season. A seasonal reset isn't a full makeover. It's not a deep clean. It's clearing enough mental and physical space so this next season feels lighter. Think of it as flipping to the next chapter in a book, a gentle, intentional step forward. When you take the pressure off of I need to clean everything and flip it to I'm turning the page into a new season, the holidays feel less overwhelming and a lot more enjoyable. So let's talk about what a simple pre-holiday reset can look like without deep cleaning, without the pressure, and without rearranging your whole house. This is the part where things get easier, small intentional tweaks that help the holiday season feel lighter. Here are 3 things to focus on that make the biggest difference. Prep the space where your holiday decor will go. Before you pull out anything from storage, choose the spot where your tree or main decor will live. And clear the surfaces, adjust the furniture if you need to, and give yourself a blank slate to start from. This one small step makes everything that comes next feel so much smoother. The second thing is simplify your decor as you unpack, not all at once. When you pull out decorations from the attic or the basement, use it as a chance to simplify. You don't have to commit to every single decoration you've already bought or been gifted over the years. Most of us have way more than we actually want. So instead of putting out everything, try this. Keep only the items you truly love this year. Let go of the things that feel like obligation decor. Choose the pieces that make your home feel cozy, not crowded. This gentle approach makes decorating easier and keeps your home feeling calm instead of cluttered. And the last thing, create guest-ready zones with small resets. Focus on the spaces your guests will actually use. A clear nightstand, fresh towels, a tidy bathroom counter, a quick living room or kitchen reset. These simple resets go a long way, and they're much more realistic than trying to overhaul your whole house. And if you're already feeling the holiday pressure creeping in, you don't have to do this alone. Inside my Holiday Pocket Coaching Day, you get 24 hours of private voice and text support from me to walk you through one holiday challenge together, step by step. We can simplify your decor, organize your wrapping supplies, or reset your home before guests arrive so your season feels lighter and more manageable. I'll help you make quick decisions, create simple steps, and make the holiday season feel lighter instead of overwhelming. You can grab your spot through the link in the show notes. And before we wrap up, I want to go a little deeper into something that came up in my Instagram poll last week, because it hit home for so many of you. Hosting guests was the number 1 stressor. Not decorating, not shopping, not cooking. It's the pressure of people being inside your home. So many of you shared things like, what if they judge my bathroom? My kitchen counters look like chaos. I feel like I need to deep clean everything. My house never looks put together enough. And if this sounds like you, you're not alone. That pressure hits differently when you have ADHD. Everything just feels bigger. The prep, transitions, expectations, and the idea of someone seeing your real life can feel really vulnerable. But here's what I want you to remember. People are coming to spend time with you, not assess your cleaning skills. Your worth isn't tied to your countertops. Your relationships aren't based on how your home looks on a busy weekday. And holiday memories aren't made because everything was perfect. If you want a place to start, focus on the spaces that are used the most. A welcoming entry, a reset kitchen, and a tidy bathroom. And if your kitchen counters are stressing you out, which was another common theme I heard, my free 15-minute kitchen reset will help so much. It's a simple timer-based reset that takes the pressure off and gives you a fresh start without a deep clean. You can grab it through the link in the show notes. Here's what I want you to take away from today. A pre-holiday reset isn't a deep clean, it's a gentle shift into the next season. Small, simple changes make the biggest difference when you're decorating or hosting. And you don't have to do it all at once. Little resets go a long way. If you want a little extra support this season, everything I mentioned, including my holiday pocket coaching day and my 15-minute kitchen reset, is linked for you in the show notes. Use whatever feels helpful for you. And don't forget to follow the podcast so you don't miss the next 3 episodes in this holiday mini-series. Well, that's it for today, friend. I hope this helped you feel a little more prepared and a lot less pressured heading into the holiday season. If this episode encouraged you or gave you a simple next step, would you share it with a friend who might need the same support? It means so much, and it helps more women realize they're not alone in this. And if you have a second, leaving a quick review helps me reach more ADHD women who need gentle, realistic help in their homes. Remember, one small shift at a time creates momentum. You're doing better than you think, and I'm so proud of you. See you next time on The Gentle Reset for another weekly 30.